Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to embed a video in either a page or in a blog post or wherever you want on your Squarespace website. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click the little teardrop icon, click on the video content block, and I'm going to grab my video URL. So if your video is hosted on YouTube, Vimeo, Animoto or Wistia, this is really easy. You just grab the URL. If not, hang on in here and I'll show you how to embed a video from elsewhere. So I'm going to grab the link, paste it in here, and you can add a custom thumbnail if you like. I've already added one in YouTube, so I'm good. Click apply. And it's that simple. You can add spacers if you want to make it smaller, but other than that, you're good to go. I've added a little button. It says subscribe to my YouTube channel, just as a little call to action. But other than that, I just click save and we're on our merry way. Now, if your video is not hosted with any of those sites mentioned, you have two other options. The first is to click the teardrop icon and embed. And if you can grab the video URL, you would just paste it in here and click apply. So I'll show you how to do this with a YouTube video, but obviously we're talking about if YouTube doesn't work. You see it just comes up the same. If you can't do that, the third option, for example, if you want to embed a Facebook video, is to click the teardrop icon, search for the code content block, and we'll just delete this code here. Go to the Facebook video you want to embed, and so you would click the three little dots here, click embed, and then you would copy and paste this code in, and you'll see that your video now appears. And you can add some spacers if you want, just to center that out if it fits better for you. But that's how you do it. There's three ways. So first, you can add a simple video using the video content block, or you can use the embed content block if you've got the URL to the video. And the third option, if none of those work, is you can copy and paste the code in using the code block. So I hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it valuable. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it out with your friends on social media. And say hello in the comments section. I'll join you there. My name is Chloe. I am your digital marketing sidekick, here to help you publish, teach and sell online. So if that's something that you're into, also be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the little bell icon so that you can be notified next time I post a video. Have a beautiful day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you again real soon.